Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify Bitpanda account. Verifying your identity unlocks full account functionality, higher limits, access to all assets, crypto stocks, ETFs, metals in compliance with EU Switzerland financial regulations. The first step is to launch the app, sign in with your email password, and confirm 2FA if enabled. Only proceed once you're fully logged in. On Android or iOS, go ahead and tap on your profile icon, usually a person silhouette. And from all of these options, you're going to see the Verify Now button. So select Verify Now to begin the KYC process. First, enter your first name, last name, birth date, country of residence if you've not done that in details, and click on Continue. Ensure that you confirm accuracy. It must match exactly with your ID document. Tap Save and Continue. Then Bitpanda will send a one-time SMS PIN to your registered phone number. Enter the PIN in the app, then tap Send. Go ahead and select your citizenship, preferred language, and identification document type, including passport, national ID card, or where supported, a driver's license. Once you're done, tap Continue. You'll be forwarded to Bitpanda's verification partner, example OnFindo or SumSub. So follow the step-by-step prompts to scan the front and back of your document, record a live selfie or video following the instructions, ensure you're in a well-lit environment, use a stable internet connection and a clear camera feed. After submission, verification typically completes within minutes, but can take up to a few hours. So you'll see a confirmation once your status is active. If issues occur, like SMS not arriving, just try again, use a different network or contact support, or if you have webcam or selfie issues, switch to mobile app mode or another device. If you have blurry scans, ensure proper lighting, avoid reflections or blur. If you get errors like method not allowed, it may be a geolocation or document issue, reach out via the contact form. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.